Are you feeling sluggish or tired throughout the day? What if I told you one simple drink can give you unlimited energy throughout the day? And the best part is that you can make this drink at home with some natural ingredient at your home itself. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you this one glass recipe of natural drink that is going to give you unlimited energy and power you through the whole day. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional and integrative medicine. Many of my patients struggle through fatigue or low energy throughout the day, and they try to use caffeine as an energy booster. But most of the time, caffeine actually makes things worse for them because they have crashes in the later part of the day. So that's where, if you use the right vitamins, minerals, and right ingredients to support your body through your adrenal support, through your mitochondrial support, then you are going to get unlimited energy. And this is where I came with this drink, which has the right ingredient to support all the energy production in your body. So let's talk about this drink, which I'm talking about, that is going to give you unlimited energy. First, I'm going to talk about the ingredients which are using in this drink and why they are going to support your body with energy production. And then I'm going to give you the exact recipe to make this drink and also the best way to consume it. So let's get started. So the very first ingredient of this drink is spirulina powder. Spirulina is one of those superfoods which a lot of people are using as a daily supplement. But if you use it in the right way, that can help you to produce unlimited energy. The reason being, spirulina is very high in an antioxidant compound called phycocyanin. This particular compound actually reduces inflammation in the body and also reduces oxidative stress in mitochondria, and thereby improving the functioning of mitochondria and supporting your energy production. The second thing is spirulina is also high in B vitamin. The B1 vitamin is very important for supporting the mitochondrial health and again improves the energy production. Then spirulina is also high in protein content as well as very high in iron. Iron is very important for thyroid hormone production, and iron is also very important for production of hemoglobin in the body. So thereby spirulina having all of these actions is very important ingredient in this drink. The second ingredient in this drink is chia seed. It is very important to use soaked chia seeds overnight so that you can reduce the lectin burdens in them. Why chia seeds? Chia seeds are very high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help your body to reduce inflammation and improves the functioning of the body. Also, omega-3 fatty acids can be used to produce energy by your mitochondria. Also, chia seeds are very high in protein content as well as very high in fiber. Why it is important is that this slow breakdown of fiber throughout the day give you sustained energy. And this protein in the chia seeds help to boost your metabolism in your body and again give you that sustained energy throughout the day. The third ingredient over here is coconut water. Coconut water has several health benefits. First of all, it is really good for hydration of your body, and plus it gives you the right electrolytes which are needed by your body to produce energy. It is very high in potassium, magnesium, and sodium. All of these three electrolytes are important for your thyroid hormone production. They support your adrenal gland as well as supports your mitochondria. Now, a lot of people are concerned about the sugar content in coconut water and they might prefer using regular water on it. The problem with regular water is that it doesn't give you proper hydration of your body because it doesn't have the right electrolyte. These electrolytes in coconut water actually help the water to reach inside your body cells and give them proper hydration. That's the reason we have to use coconut water in this drink as compared to regular water. Plus, the chia seeds we are using in this drink is not going to let your sugar spike up because they are going to help your sugar to break down in a slow fashion. The next ingredient over here is a protein powder. Either you use a vegan based protein powder which is made with either pea protein, rice protein, or chia seed protein, or you can use a collagen protein powder. Make sure you're not using any dairy based or whey protein powder because they are very inflammatory to your body. Now, why protein? Protein is made with different kind of amino acids. These amino acids are required by your body to function properly. Amino acids play a very important role in several enzymatic processes in your body, which boosts your metabolism, supports your liver, supports detoxification, as well as supports your mitochondrial health. That's the reason you have to use a complete protein powder which has all the amino acids so that they can support your body properly. Also, the protein powder will not let your sugar spike up and will give you a sustained energy throughout the day. The last ingredient over here is lemon juice. Now, lemon juice is very important in this drink because it is very high in vitamin C and also very high in antioxidants. Especially, it has been shown that when lemon juice has been used in the morning, it especially supports your adrenal gland. Now, your adrenal glands are just waking up in the morning and they need all the right support. Using spirulina and lemon juice powerhouses your adrenal glands and gives you unlimited energy. Plus, lemon juice also has alkalizing effect on your body, which makes your body function better throughout the day. So you see, these are all the ingredients which are working on all different ways to support your body to produce energy and give you a sustained energy throughout the day, not just in the morning, but also in the afternoon too. Now, how to prepare this drink and what is the best way to consume it? So to prepare this drink, you need to either use a shaker or a mixer so that you can mix all the ingredients properly. So you start with 1 cup of coconut water and mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it. And then you add the protein powder into it. Depending on which protein powder you are using, you might be adding either 1 scoop or 2 scoop of protein powder into it. Then you add 1 tablespoon of spirulina powder into this drink also. And then after that, you add your soaked chia seed water into this drink also. Then you mix all of these ingredients together. It might take you a few minutes of stirring or mixing so that all of these ingredients are absorbed together in this drink. After that, you can add a pinch of Himalayan salt to it or 1 teaspoon of honey to it just for the taste purposes. A lot of people will like to add some crushed ice cube to this drink, which is perfectly fine to do it. And after all of the ingredients are mixed together, then you can drink this 1 glass of drink slowly in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now, the best time to have this drink is obviously in the morning because that is the time your body is waking up and needs the maximum support to produce energy. Either you can consume it early morning or late morning depending on when you are having those energy crash. Now, this 1 glass of drink is going to give you unlimited energy throughout the day, but consistency is a key. You might not see a huge difference on the very first day, but if you consume it on the regular basis for at least 7 to 10 days, you are going to see a slight improvement in your energy. Especially, you will not get those afternoon crash. Please try this drink and share in the comment section later on what improvement you have seen. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share this with other people who might benefit from this recipe. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.